welcome back to Liam's Tech Corner. I'm your host, Liam. It's been a while since my last video, but stay tuned for some new and exciting content that I've got coming in your way. And it starts right now. Today I'll be going through all the basic steps to 3D printing simple toys. And I'm going to be printing my personal favorite, the adorable Flexi Rexy. I'm using the Flash Forge Adventure 3 Pro 2. And from my PC, I'll be showing you where to go to download the STL files needed for producing a 3D print. There are multiple websites you can go to where you can find 3D prints available for free. But today, I'll be using Thingiverse. So I'm going to go to Thingiverse, click this. Scroll down, don't see that. Gonna search FlexUp, see if that has it. And no, that does not look like it has it. So I'm gonna search up FlexiRex, see if that has it. And let me see here. And yep, this is the one I want. So I'll just click this, and then I'll click download all files. Now I click download all files. Now it's gonna download. You can see right there the files. And I can cut a little bit of that out too. Yeah. And now I'm gonna select it. Click files. We'll minimize that first. We're gonna open this. Click extract. We're gonna extract it. Now, gonna open Flash Print. Now with this, we're gonna click File, Load File, and then the one that we want to do. So, let me find it real quick. Is this it? No, not it. Yeah, this is it. Gonna click Files. Now that's our only file we have. You're gonna repair the file. Okay. Now we're going to click. This is we'll look around on the build. That's good. Blue means it's touching. Now we're gonna click supports. And now with the supports set, you can see the supports, the orange pieces. Click. Gonna do auto supports. Yeah. Click back. Then start slicing. My settings are how they should be now. We're going to start slicing. No rafter needed. Now, I'm gonna do the slice preview with this. Gonna download it.
scroll down onto our flash drive that I inserted into before the video. And now you're going to click that. Open one of these. Hold on. Oh, you're closing those. Now, I'm going to eject the flash drive. Now, and we're done.
Now that we've sliced our file and transferred it to a USB drive, we can upload the file and directly to the printer. Now we're just a few clicks away from starting our print. But you should know there are many types of filament, and to produce good prints, each one has its own temperature range. But no two printers are exactly the same, so you may need to play with your temp settings a little bit to get the best results. Now we're going to time-lapse the video so you can watch a quick 3D print from start to finish. Once that's done, we'll see how it turned out.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
And it's done. So, whoa. That was kind of hard. Okay. So it's just near where the raft's on. Oh wow, that was actually surprisingly easy. Pull this part off. I said pull this part off. What is this? Why is this? Alright, there's some, that's not, no. There's that. I gotta move it to, yeah. Oh, found it. This is it so far. I'm still getting this. Alright. This part's a little frozen up. And it's done. Well, I already said that. Yeah. There's a reason why they call it a flexi-lapse. He flexes. Now, I'm not an expert. I'm still learning how to use a 3D printer myself. Hopefully this video will help you get started as well. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe to ensure you don't miss the good stuff I have coming in the next few weeks. I'm going to relate and delete a CPU, upgrade a workstation PC to give to my cousins, and I'll also be doing a complete PC build to give away someone at my school. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Also, just so you know, if you learned some other things that you did not know before but you would like to tell me, you can tell me so in the comment section if you would like to. And I hope you can learn a lot about 3D printers and you have a nice session of watching the stuff on my channel.